Hi, I'm Sean here with Rise Show TV, and I'm here with Claus of Dali today. So, Dali is an established member of the traditional hi-fi industry, but you're also active in the commercial and residential space. How do you see yourself fitting into the custom installation sector?
Well, you know, we've been around for 40 years. We're a Danish company. As you say, we're very established in the hi-fi arena, traditional loudspeakers, and have built up a very strong brand name and a worldwide distribution. We've actually started with in-ceiling and in-wall speakers quite a long time ago, but our range has really been developed. We've increased our focus a lot more in recent years. And we're in this this type of business for two reasons. First of all, it's important for us to allow consumers to get the Dali sound quality and performance and reliability in a wider range of applications. So if you're after not really having loudspeakers that occupy, floor space and that sort of thing, we offer a lot of solutions at different price points and different performance levels where speakers are hidden or installed in a very discreet way into walls and ceilings. So that's one aspect of it. The other aspect or reason why we are in this space is that custom installation as a sales channel continues to grow and is a sales channel that is just of increasing importance for companies like us. We can see that it obviously helps us, or it's the sales channel to be in terms of selling and promoting in-ceiling speakers and in-wall speakers. But it also is a sales channel of growing importance for more traditional products, where we have also a very wide range of products.
And would you consider yourselves a custom install partner?
Absolutely, and I think we're a really good partner for installers for a number of reasons. Again, if you look at from a product side, we have a wide range of custom install products today, a line of products that continues to grow. Again, the products offer state-of-the-art sound performance. We offer incredible reliability and a high degree of ease of installation. So that's one aspect of it, and we cover many different price points. But we also have a very wide range of more traditional speakers. So overall, when you look at what we have to offer, we have audio products that really fit a very, very wide range of solutions and requirements. When you look at us as a partner, why choose Dali? Well, I would say we've been around for 40 years. We have shown longevity. We intend to be around for many, 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 many years to come as well. We have a well-established brand. We are Danish owned. We're owned by people that have been in the audio industry their entire life. We know what we're doing. We understand the needs of requirements of our business partners very well, because this is the game we've been in for 40 years. In terms of design and development, everything that we do is designed and developed in Denmark. So we have tremendous expertise on the product development side, but we also have a lot of experience in really understanding the needs and requirements of our business partners, whether it's custom installation or whether it's a conventional retailer.
And what do you believe separates you from your competitors?
I think, again, from first looking at it from the product side, that it's the performance quality that we offer, because we're experts in sound reproduction. We offer products that have such a high degree of reliability, and the ease of installation is also something that we've paid great attention to. So the products are absolutely great, and the product range is wide, and we cater for a wide range of both price points and applications. From a sort of a supplier perspective, we are a company that we're not involved in anything else than audio, and we've built up this very long, solid experience in working with business partners. And I might say in this climate, or in this market that we operate in, where we see a lot of companies being bought and sold every few years, we've had the same ownership for all of the 40 years. And so there is a high level of stability and reliability that you can expect from us as a partner.
Perfect. Thank you very
All right.
much.
Thank you.